Okay, so welcome back to another Legend of Slime video. I did do a lot of stuff while I was on video. So yeah, it's not too big of a deal. I only got to very hard for yeah, I did some off-grind stuff. Oh, and also I got this really cool relic that gives me 500% of my HP or something. Enlarge slime and increase HP by 500%. So now my HP recovery is 7.09C and my HP is 100C. I'm gonna challenge the boss again. I also got this exotic little thingy called Dark Clouds. Also got chicken cushion. Chicken companions. Chicken. I do not have many chickens. I do have many chickens, but I'm missing two good chickens. Oh yeah, also I unlocked advanced attack. And that's basically all. Oh yeah, I also got Kobolus to level 39, and now I get reinforcement every 8 seconds. So Goblin Watchtowers fire rain of arrows, dealing 1000% of attack as damage. Damage is increased up to 3x based on Kobolus's level. Anyways, promotion. I'm just a kid, and life is a nightmare. Almost have normal enemy damage. That's 100% right now. I can get it higher. Oh yeah. I also did some research. Like this type of research, not actual research. And then I got treasure and loot unlocked. Oh god, I got a loot. That's a lot. And now let's upgrade my treasure. So yeah. That's pretty much all. Oh yeah. But he's finally maxed. Anyways. Oh, and this happened. Change. I'm just trying to get ghoul or vampire or whatever. So just spending off. Yes! Finally, vampire. 41G, that was a really good deal. I almost have 50 advanced attack. Yeah, advanced attack is really expensive. So yeah. Time to tell you everything I've known to do. That's just how I am this year. Did I do something? I swear I had 100C. Oh yes, and I am using all of these. I am going to get the auto blessing package because I'm tired of watching ads for blessings. VIP 1. Oh my gosh. This is the last one I need. Right there. Is that what's gonna be when I summon toys? Like, hold on. Returning bounty hunter? Is it toys? Toys? And then we get secret room, which is gonna be a very hard dungeon. And then there's that little newbie. A 100 more until I unlock normal enemy damage. Also, go check out AliceMan23's Legend of Slime videos. Pretty good. What am I saying? They're really good. They're probably better than mine. Slimy attack plus 4%. Oh, hey, I'm at 5-1. I only need to complete this and then I unlock toys. Very good name. I'm just gonna hold down this because I'm really good now. I'm trying to get everything to 1G. That's how much it's gonna cost. Because right now I obtain some little F's, gold thing jiggers. I have no idea what F stands for in gold. So yeah. Am I still recording? Yeah, I think I am. Yeah, 6:51. Hold on, I need to watch an ad real quick. Okay, so yeah. Ooh, some gold. 68.
Here are 3 tips to becoming a pro player.
Okay, so we're back. That was really close. Anyways, let's try to beat you again. Yes. 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 So close to getting toys. And then I only need to beat hard, very hard, 10-10. Yeah. Very fun. Yay. No, it's not going to be fun. I'm going to hate it. Oh, yay. I'm actually doing pretty good. I think this is where it ends. Hard 5-4. I gotta beat hard 10-10 to finally get the last newbie. If you don't know, I'm trying to do Returning Bounty Hunter, and I need toys and the secret undead. No! Oh, phew, that was the boss. Let's just fight him again just for fun. I didn't see what happened. He's in the ages. We're gonna need some attack. I'm just gonna hold. Oh my gosh! Look at my slime. Rewind this if you didn't see my slime while I was holding down attack, and just look at my slime. Oh, that'll. Look at my slime. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. What if I just go? So now, ooh, it was closer. Gotta say that. I'm about to get everything to 8,000. Critical hit damage is pretty low. I might start upgrading that. $7,599. 7,500. 600. 7,607. It's getting more expensive, but like I gotta upgrade like critical hit damage though. Like if you don't have critical hit damage good and you have critical hit max, it's gonna be a little hard. Okay, I hope this works. Yes! Yes, 5-5. I gotta keep upgrading my 16G. No, false. Oh, yeah. I wonder what. Oh, I lost. Oh, it was just the boss. Never mind. Let's try the boss again. Me just hoping he's at H still. This is gonna take some long time. I wonder if you can get. I wonder if you can get the newbie slime. If you collect all the newbies. Like, I know that's what you were able to do last April Fools, but I wonder if they just started earlier. So they can, like... No? Okay. I'm 35.1. Man, do I need a better thing. Maybe I should just make like a chicken loadout, because I do have the chicken seed. We're gonna try it. So chicken. There's not a chicken. And now let's equip some relics. It's called the chicken seed. And now let's try this. That's absolutely destroying. Did I just wait, hold up. Enhance the sparrow figure? Equip it? Yeah. Oh no, it just took down my attack. This is absolute. This is crazy. The chickens. I thought chickens were supposed to be weak. Like, what if I get like a different skill setup? Okay. Maybe I was just lucky. Yeah, the chicken just flopped their egg throw. What if we make a full bird little? So bird. Is there a bird here? I do not see a bird. Is there a bird here? Yes, there is. What if I just go? Oh, God. birds don't do anything. Like, it was good at first. But now, like, oh, look. Oh, that's why it's bad. Because my, because my blessings ran out. That's why I want the auto blessing package. Is there a way we can give, like, the birds egg throw? Because the egg throw ability looks pretty good. I don't think so. We'll just do this. What? You're joking, right? You're telling me this guy is better? Oh. Okay, we're just gonna fight the last. Oh, yeah. Blessings. You know what? Wait. Okay, so I watched the ads, and now we're back. He's back. Okay, let's just... Oh, yeah. My relic is... Gotta equip this. Definitely hot seat. I think nothing bad happened. Let's just get this real quick. And let's actually buy the slime. Oh. Close. I'm choking. Okay. After upgrading my attack, I should be able to defeat this guy. Yeah, I upgraded my attack for like 3 seconds. Yeah. Poseidon is not worth it. Poseidon is not worth it. Just buy Gen. Anyways, time to hold down this again. Let's see. Close. A little closer. A reaper. I'm about to reach 8,000 on my attack. It's over 9,000. So come aboard and bring along all your hopes and dreams. They have the right to copyright me. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna actually accept that little ad with gems. Even though I do need gems. Oh my gosh. I forgot to unpause it. Oh my gosh. So basically what I did, I switched back to my normal stuff, my normal relic, my normal everything. I just looted like that. I bought the slime doll. And now I'm gonna watch Nat. Okay, so we're back. So now we can summon the companion. Yeah, it's just my quest. Right now, my mission. No, my quest. So anyways, casually, he spends almost... Hey, there we go. It's back to 100C. When did it not become 100C? Like, huh? Ooh, yay. Cold. 20G. It's all being spent on my attack stat. I could be using advanced attack. But no, my attack stat is better. I am better. Astrology. Let's just observe. Hey, new star. Nice. Let's observe again. Hey, another new star. Hey, what do you know? The final one. Hey, another new star. So first, oh my gosh. Gentle Cat is hard. Skill extra level 100 plus. Everything except novice is hard. Everything except novice. Okay. Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta upgrade my health. I also gotta upgrade my health recovery. Oh. Okay, I made it 7C. I gotta keep upgrading it. Like, my health and my health recovery. Okay, so close. Just gotta beat this guy and a couple more. No! Okay. I'm gonna upgrade my strength. I'm sorry. I upgraded it one time. Let's just try this again and hope for the best. 69.7G. I was so close. Oh, I'm gonna do health regen. I do need a lot of health. Like, he just one-shots me. How much damage does he even do? Like, 140. Mine's 105C. He kills me in 1 second. Set fire to your hair. No! I'm just gonna start upgrading my attack stat. I upgraded it a couple times, and now it's time for you to die. Almost time. I have to take a couple seconds. Now it's time for you to die. Oh, I wasn't actually expecting him to die. Very hard 5-7. I have almost unlocked toys. I do need to really upgrade my health. And a little bit of health. Come on, terrified. No! No! Please, please, please. Come on, fight me again. I will win. I didn't win. Now fight me again. I will win. This is the time you die. I don't have it easy. Okay, now's the time you die, seriously. 26 minutes. I wanna die with W. Sometimes I wonder. Come on. Come on. 6.9. I can't even. 7975. Come on. This. Yes. Yes. Yes, sirree. Please, terrify. Back. I just flashbanged, bro. Dumbest ways to die. Please, terrify. Please, terrify. Bang. 5757. Oh man, I wasn't even close. This is gonna be a really grindy video. What should I call this? I'm just gonna call this the quest to get toys. I have 8,000 stats into attack, and I still don't even come close. Watch, I'm not even gonna come close to it. I'm just gonna. Yes, I know I lost. Yes. Dumb ways to die. Dumbest ways to die. Oh my gosh. I reached level 8,000. And watch. Ah, stuff. I don't even come close. How am I gonna defeat this guy? Hold on. Alright. How am I gonna defeat... Wait, how many... I'm just gonna... Yes. Spear and shard. Easy. I'm just gonna collect all the experience shards. Yeah. So now it'll just... I can do some research, right? No. Can't even. Now I'm just gonna hold down this until I find these just over. I have experience, right? Okay. Hey, level 10. Oh wow. Now I can upgrade Aku more. Level 25. A little more. Mastery. I've already started this, so max level. I still have more, and I can claim more rewards. No. Set fire to your hair. Eat to week. Wait, that's not how it goes. Oh, hey, I got some pickaxe. Experience shard. Is there another? No, it's a drill. Yes! Spirit shard. I wonder what this red button does. Time wasted. Time wasted. Yes. Obtain increase. I'm gonna do this one. Then I'm gonna do that one, which I don't have right now. Ah! 222. Nah, you ain't gonna destroy me, bro. You destroyed me. I can't believe it. Yeah, but... yeah. So... wow. I do need... I'm just gonna do HP recovery now. That didn't even take a long time. Oh, yeah, it did. Okay, now let's do critical hit damage. Now let's fight him again, because it's fun. I don't even come close. Damage ways to die. Oh my gosh, critical hit damage is so low. So inexpensive. Unless you buy it all together. Tee. For almost. I do have this, but experience shard. Bang! Should we bang another? Now we have more bangs. More bangs. And even more bangs. Oh, no more bangs. So this is gonna take a while. Is there like any other way? Yeah, you can watch 37 ads.